Oh, guys, one more time around. One more time around.
Keep it in line.
Try to stay off the guy in front of you. Go. Oh, watch turn 2. That ice is upside down. Randy Palmer takes the job. He's under. This is whatever the fourth place.
Got him in trouble right there.
On your leader gets up in the wall. That moves Cat Moore out front. Tim Turner takes over second. Turner takes over third. And then Palmer's off the sixth. Greg Francis in the seventh. Jedi Jones in the eighth.
Oh, and then I seen the fellow. I'm doing 70 minutes by me. Still. And then he got down to 877 and he got almost 100%.
Randy Palmer says that.
And everything like that. Oh, and then I didn't want to work that time and they come out. I know what he was doing.
Well, 5 down, 355 remaining. That Moore out front with your pace from 44 to 501. Tim Turner's in second on a 44 to 502. Randy Palmer right behind him in third. So he's on a 44 to 501 pace.
Right here, drive around the mountain.
Dave Nelson in fourth on a 43 to 503 pace. David Barron in fifth on a 42 to 504 pace.
Yep,
All your second and third place cars get together.
Take the green one up.
2011, there you go.
Stuff the ball. Stuff or something dog down.
Dave Nelson takes over third. Jack Randy moves up into fourth.
Sorry about that.
Oh, you're good.
Garner takes fourth back. He gets into trouble. Greg Francis moves back up into fourth. David Harrison in fifth. Garner's off to sixth. That Moore out front. Taking that CQ right now on a 44 to 500 pace. He was on a 45 to 506 pace. He spins it out and lets Jim Turner get by and take the lead. Watch turn 4. Right there.
Yeah, right there. Still can't run low, but it runs. I turned it down again. I'm done with mine.
Needs to be done more.
That's what I did, yeah. And it was running. I was catching it.
3:15 down, minute 45 remaining.
She handled it.
Jim Turner out front. On a 44 to 503
He
pace.
usually lets me go.
Dave Nelson moves his way up into second. He's on a 43 to 505. Sorry, 42 to 503 pace.
Really?
Dave's off the fourth. He had a little hang up there. That Moore and Greg Francis both behind. Drops into a 42 to 506. That Moore's on him. On turn 4, guys. Clear. That's not on the track, goes to Randy Palmer. 6.54, and he's not even on the track right now. Next fastest is Jedi Jones with a 6.61. On front straight. Garner taking over the second fastest lap with a 6.57. 30 seconds to go, drivers.
gets to watching you get that head on.
Now 10.
Who's winning, Jim?
Nine driver, finish off your arm. And you're all done. Jim Turner wins that one with 40.